Okay, so we just want to make a little tag, like a gift tag, that this is for Mom. So this is just some white fondant. Just kind of roll it into or cut it into a rectangle, like that. And then each end into a little bit of a point. Okay, like it's a tag. Then take a tip number 12 and punch a little hole right there at the end. Then we can take some pink fondant and roll it into a cord like this. Okay, place that through that opening and then pinch it together, twist it so it stays together. Then we can pick this up and place this right in the front. And I think I actually want to do it this way. And this is a little long, so I'm going to make this shorter. Put a little bit of water here. A little bit here where the pink will attach. Okay, and then we can just take a tip number 2 and write yeah, we can put little hearts here. And then maybe outline the tag also. Okay, and then the last thing, the board. I don't really like having the board that plain. Wanted to do just a little bit of a cobblestone design. So I'm going to take some of the lavender and some of this white and actually mix it together, kind of just twist it in together, marbleizing it. And then we can roll it out. And I usually start with it like this, and there's a couple things you can do. There's a roller that does cobblestone, like this, that you can roll across, like so. Or there's pads like this, little texture mats that you can actually push in. Whoops, sticking a little bit. Maybe I pushed too hard. Push down, pick it up, push down like so. But I'm just going to use the roller. It's a little bit faster. Pick that up. Keep rolling. I'll cut this part off. And what we can do is actually place it on the board. So I need a little bit of water to attach it. And it's going to be a little wide. And just kind of cut it at a groove, just kind of wavy. And place it down there. Okay, so when you get to where it seams, I just kind of push it together a little bit. You can always add extra little pebbles right on top. Just taking some extra fondant, popping it on top, like so, to cover the seam. And then what I'm going to do around the edge here to make it pop just a little bit more is I'm actually going to take some green buttercream, like it's grass around the edge here. So I'll go all the way around the edge. And then I'm going to add a little bit of dirt here and there. And then I have a little bit more green with a 352 tip. And we can actually do like some little weeds or something popping up here. And there you have it, the perfect cake for Mother's Day.